Hi everyone, welcome back. I got my Macys beauty box, first one of the year. Anyone who knows me and knows about Macys beauty box, you know we have had a couple issues in the past, but I'm going to show you what I got in this month's box and do a quick unboxing. So thanks for watching. By the way, I'm Chanel. If you want to follow me on Instagram for fire makeup inspo and selfies galore, please. My new Instagram name is Glitz Glam Fix. So if you want to get your fix of glitz and glam, follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get into it. Oops, dropped my little card. So every month you get a coupon, which is $5 off a beauty purchase. And this basically just details what you got in your box this month. So I was literally canceling this box, bag, whatever, and then they sent me this. And I was just like, really, Macys? Really? This bag is so cute. Oh my gosh, with all the kisses and the pink and yeah, so I was like, all right, I'm gonna keep it for a little while longer and see if it gets better. But I don't understand who is putting together these boxes. Like, for instance, I'm gonna show you what we got this month. So first I'll do the lip products because I swatched them. So there's 2 lipsticks. And I'm just like, why would you give 2 lipsticks? I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not complaining because half the time they never even have makeup in this beauty box. But I'm just like, why would you give 2 lipsticks? So one is a bold red, which I'm wearing here. Here's a swatch of it. And the other is this like nude sheer lipstick. So that one is swatched here. And I think they're both very pretty. Like the nude is very pinky and pretty. It's Clinique. It's Clinique and Jonathan Adler. I'll put the swatch video here or here, so you can see me swatching it on my lips. But yeah, I mean it's full size. So I'm like, okay, that's good. And then they give you, this is a sample size of a Smashbox. This isn't full-size Smashbox because they're way bigger than this. This one doesn't have a name on it. It just says A67, but I don't think that's a name. And, I mean, this is the color right here. It's just like a gorgeous red. It's on here, on my lips. It has a weirdo applicator, but I really like it. And it's like, why are you doing 2 lip products? I don't get it. Like, why wouldn't they give us an eyeliner or something? But I'm not gonna complain about the two lip products. But but yeah. So then I literally just cannot. There's 2 lotions in here. Like, okay, this one is Avaha hand cream, which they gave us the Chanel hand cream last month. Don't even get me started on that. So this hand cream is basically lotion. And this one is the Philosophy Pure Grace Nude Rose body lotion. So I'm like, why are you giving 2 lotions? There's 2 lotions and 2 lipsticks. Instead of like a variety of, you know, products, it's like you're giving us duplicates. And then here's a face wash. It's like, this is Origin's frothy face wash. And then there is a little sample of the Michael Kors Sexy Ruby. And this is the sample. So let's spray it. I haven't sprayed it yet. Now I do have a perfume sample collection and a perfume. I don't like this. Oh my gosh. It smells like Granny again. Oh, what is this? A jewel of a fragrance where fantasy meets femininity and a woman is her sexiest. This smells like Granny again. Oh my God. I can't even deal with Macys. I don't know. I'm going to have to think long and hard about this because it's $15, but you get the $5 off coupon, but that just makes you spend more money because you have to spend money to use the coupon. So I don't know. I mean, these are the products plus the little sample spritz that we got. 2 lotions, 2 lipsticks, and a face wash. Like, what the I'm not going to cuss, but let's check out the prices on this stuff. Okay, the Michael Kors, a sultry new scent, flaunting notes of velvet, apricot, juicy raspberry, luscious rose petals, where fantasy meets femininity and a woman is her sexiest. Goodbye. I mean, it smells okay, but it smells like... I don't think it's very fruity. It's more rosy than fruity. I don't know. The Clinique is $18.50, and I believe that's a full size. That's definitely a full size. Oh, it's lip color with primer in it. Okay, keeps lips looking kissably soft with this luxurious yet weightless formula. It is very light. It glides on effortlessly. It does, to reveal a modern velvet finish and leaves lips feeling comfortably moisturized. It does. Okay, this the Smashbox is the Always On Matte Liquid Lipstick in Bawse, B-A-W-S-E. Is it matte? Let's see if this is matte. Hold up. Oops. Let's check it out and see if it's matte. Oh, it is matte. Okay. I mean, I love a red lipstick, so like I honestly can't complain. And I really like Smashbox lip products. So oh, free shipping on all online beauty orders. Yeah, that's true. I always buy stuff on Macys online, and it's always ships free. Now, Macys shipping takes forever. But yeah, it's free, so you can't really complain. The Philosophy full size is going to be $37 for the lotion. The Ahava Mineral Hand Cream is a hydrating kiss for your skin. Blah, blah, blah. It's $24. Origins face wash is $29, and the travel size is $12. So, I mean, I guess with the $5 off coupon, maybe you could get like the Clinique or something for like $13. I mean, I usually use my $5 off coupon on like a MAC lip gloss or something, so it's like, you know, a little bit cheaper than the regular price. And you can use it on sale stuff, because I did use it like Christmas time. I used it on a bunch of sale stuff. So I guess just like wait for a sale, try to make sure it doesn't expire, and use the $5 off coupon. As far as the box, like, I don't mind the products, but I don't understand the concept of giving us 2 lip products and 2 lotion products. Like, I don't get that. I really don't. So yeah. So everyone, let me know what you got in your box, and just let me know what you think of the Macys Beauty Box in general. Make sure you subscribe, like, follow my Instagram, and yeah, until next video, bye.